Hi, first grade. Happy Friday. Hey, who wants to see a magic trick? Huh? All right, you have to help me, though. You have to help me like you did yesterday with counting those coins. You did such a great job. So today I have a $1 bill. It's nice and crispy. And I have a pencil. And I want you to say the magic words for me so that this pencil can go through the dollar bill. Ready? All right. So when I count to 3, I want you to say abracadabra. Okay, so got the pencil? It's ready to go through the bottom of the dollar bill. You ready? Can you see? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Abracadabra. Oh, would you look at that? It went right through. And not a hole. Look at that. You are some great magicians. You are also some great coin counters. I had just enough money the other day to get my Dr. Pepper. And you keep counting the money the way you do, and you can get the goods too. Today we will review what we learned this unit and show what we know about money. How we will take a common assessment after watching the review video, and it is important because we need to be able to show what we know. A cent, say cent. A cent is equal to 1/100th of a dollar. That is an amount of money that is less than a dollar. Penny, say penny. The penny is copper. It is round with Abraham Lincoln on it. The back has the Lincoln Memorial or the Union Shield. And a penny is worth 1 cent. All right, now it is the dime. Say dime. Dime. The dime is a silver-colored coin made of both copper and nickel that has Franklin D. Roosevelt on it. The back of the dime has a torch and 2 olive branches. The dime is worth how much money? 10 cents. That's right. Now we have a nickel. Say nickel. The nickel is silver and it's round with Thomas Jefferson. It is worth how much money? Over there? 5 cents. You are correct. Now we have the quarter. The quarter is a silver-colored coin made of both copper and nickel that has George Washington on it. You know what else had George Washington on it? My dollar bill. That's right. See? That $1 bill with George Washington's face on the front. But this is worth $1. The quarter is worth what? 25 cents. You are correct. Now, value. Say value. That is the total amount something is worth in money. Examples are something is worth 25 cents. It's worth $3.99. And 4 pennies is worth 4 cents. We can use our 100 chart to count money. So if we count pennies, we're going to count by ones. So start at 1 and count 4 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cents. We can also use the 100 chart to count nickels. We count nickels by 5s. So we're going to start with 5 and count by 5s. Ready? Count with me. 5, 10, 15. We only have 3 nickels, so that's 5, 10, 15. Very good. Now we're going to count some dimes. We count dimes by 10s. So we're going to start at 10, and we're going to count by 10s 4 times. We have 4 dimes, so count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40. You are correct. Now we're going to use the 120 chart And we can use our longs and units to count money. So a dime is worth 10. A long is worth 10. A penny is worth 1. A unit is worth 1. So if we have 1 10, we have 10. If we have 2 10s, we have 20. If we have 2 10s and a unit, we have 20 plus 1 more. That's 21 cents. Very good. Now we have 2 dimes, which is the same as 2 10s. And we have a nickel that is the same as 5 units. And a penny is worth 1 unit. So we can use our tens to count. How many tens do we have? We have 2. We have 2 tens. How many units do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 26 cents. Then if you come over here, you count by tens 2 times. 10, 20. Then 5 more, 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 1 more unit for the penny. That's 26 cents. All right, now we have 2 nickels. 2 nickels, 5 units, 5 units. What's 5 plus 5? 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus 1 is 11, 12, 13, 14. We can also use the 120 chart. 5 units plus 5 more units plus 1 unit plus another unit plus another unit plus 1 more unit for the last penny, and that is 14 cents. All right, let's count some dimes and nickels together. Ready? Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Uh-oh, now we have a nickel. We have to start at 80 and count by 5s. 80, 85, 80, 85, 90. Now we hit a penny. We have to start counting by 1s. So 90 plus 1 more. 91, 92, 93 cents. Very good. All right, so we can also use our longs to show 93 cents. We have 10 cents, that's 1 long. 20 cents, 2 longs. How many longs do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait a minute. What did I say about 2 5s? 2 5s. 5 plus 5 is what? That's another 10. So we can make this, and this is another 10. 8 10s plus 1 more would be 90. Then we have 3 1s. 91, 92, 93. So you're going to use your longs, your units, your 100 chart, and or your skip counting to count the coins that are going to be on the assessment. You're going to click on the link to go to your unit assessment. When you get to your unit assessment, you are going to type in your name. Nothing else. Your name. Then you click next. Then you are going to continue taking your test until you come to the end, and then you will click submit to your teacher. And then you are going to have a great weekend, and next week get ready to learn about something new. I can't imagine what it's going to be about. There's your clue. Talk to you later. Bye.